Hi, welcome to ISE 2020. My name is Daryl Dankert. I'm with Williams AV. And today I'd like to show you the Digi-Wave 400 series. It's our new version of our Digi-Wave, which we've had for several years. It is a full duplex two-way communication system, as well as a 15-channel interpretation device. The new 400 series offers a new programming function that's a lot user-friendly. As you can see on our main screen right here, we've got a couple languages that makes it easy to understand. And we've also got a couple of different ways to make programming much more easier. New settings, and then at this point of the programming, you can select what mode of operation you want Digi-Wave to operate in. Once you got it all set up, it's easy to use. Again, full duplex communication system, two-way communication system, allows up to 6 people speaking at the same time, 14 channels of interpretation, plus the floor. Thanks for taking the tour at Williams AV at ISE 2020. Thank you. Our website is williamsav.com.